Chickpeas the traditional way in 5 minutes.
For one dish only, add 1 cup of cooked dry chickpeas into a small pot. Add 1 cup of water. Bring to boil and simmer until you lose half of the water. Squeeze in half of the lemon juice. Then add 3 cloves of garlic minced. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. On a high heat, blend the mix together using a wooden garlic smasher. Smash and blend for around 2 minutes. Bring to boil and turn the heat off. Wait 2 minutes until the beans absorbs the water. Serve in a small bowl and top it with some olive oil. Enjoy with pita bread.